I'm Shayna with this week's Health and Nutrition News. We all know a balanced diet is an important part of a healthy lifestyle, but sometimes our appetites get out of control and all we want is junk food. Following these simple steps will help you fight the cravings and keep your hunger under control. Step 1. Make sure you get enough sleep. Several studies have shown sleep deprivation or not getting enough sleep over a long period of time triggers food cravings. On the other hand, getting enough sleep decreases overall consumption of calories and eventually leads to weight loss. Another way to conquer your hunger is to eat on a schedule. Try to eat your breakfast within 1 hour of waking up, and then eat every 3 to 5 hours after that. Also, make sure the portion sizes stay about the same. This will keep your metabolism running efficiently and help you avoid poor food choices. Google X, the search engine giant's secret research branch, is involved in all kinds of projects that push the boundaries of science. Now, Google X is setting off on a mission to map the human body, gathering massive amounts of microscopic data to determine what the ideal healthy human looks like. Dr. Andrew Conrad of Google X is leading a team of experts from a wide variety of fields like physiology, biochemistry, and specialists in his own field, molecular biology. They will be collecting and analyzing hundreds of tiny biological samples from volunteers, including human genetic material that passes down blueprints for the body's growth from generation to generation. Their goal is to gain such a deep understanding of the human body that they can prevent or quickly detect heart disease, cancer, and other illnesses. When you meet someone new, it's traditional to shake their hands in greeting. But did you ever think about how many germs you exchange in the process? Our hands come into contact with germ-covered surfaces like public door handles and dollar bills on a regular basis. So when we shake another person's hand, we are most likely sharing tons of bacteria. Medical experts say we should consider greeting others with a high five or a fist bump instead. In fact, researchers found that a high five spreads less than half the germs of a handshake, and a fist bump is an even safer option because it only spreads 1/20th of the bacteria typically shared in a handshake. We've all been there, you know, those days where you wake up and all you can think about is hitting the snooze button. It seems like a great idea, but oversleeping can actually end up making you feel more tired. How can more sleep make you tired? See, each of us is born with a special internal timekeeper known as a circadian rhythm, which is our body's way of figuring out when it's time to sleep or wake up. This biological clock syncs up with sunrise and sunset and has an impact on our overall sleep cycle, body temperature, emotions, and appetite. Since circadian rhythms are also responsible for regulating our energy levels throughout the day, sleeping in longer than usual disrupts this delicate balance. This results in throwing our normal energy levels out of whack. Then when it comes time for us to actually get out of bed, we feel groggy and less energized. Waking up and going to sleep on a regular schedule is the best way to ensure that you wake up on the right side of the bed every day.